Why do your brain cells fail to function when I'm asking a very simple?
What's the hadith? Read this hadith.
I will read it. I will read it. I will read it till the morning. No problem. I'm asking you.
No, read it then.
If the hadith,
No, first read it.
we need to set the rules first.
First read it.
I'm saying.
I want you to read the hadith.
I'm saying. Listen.
Why
I'm
is it
saying.
not- why is it
Listen
not
to me.
reading- why is it
I'm
not
saying.
reading the
I'm saying. If the hadith is there, I will
You asked me
become.
a question.
Listen.
You asked me a question.
If
Where
the
is
hadith-
I'm giving you a hadith. I want you to read the hadith.
He's in about the consequences.
Read the hadith.
If it's not there.
If it's not there, what's the consequence?
First, I want you to read it.
You asked me, will you become an Ahmadi if the hadith is there? I said yes. You all witnesses, right?
Yeah.
You all
Yeah.
witnesses. If the hadith is there, I'll become an Ahmadi. You can save my soul from hellfire today, right now. You can save me and potentially thousands of my followers who are watching right now. There are thousands of people following my social media account. You can save some of them as well, right? If you show me the hadith, I will become an Ahmadi and potentially many more will follow. But if the hadith is not there, will you then declare Mirza to be a liar, Mirza Ghulam and Qadiani to be a liar, and become a Muslim?
Then what's
No?
the point?
So what's the point of doing this? What's the point of doing this?
Then it's useless.
You don't even have the confidence and the guts.
Asking, not me.
Look at me, look at my confidence. I'm saying if the hadith is there, I'll become an Ahmadi. And you should be jumping up and down, celebrating and throwing fireworks out there. Oh, this guy, we have got him, we have got him, we have got him. Well, the right where he wants. But right now, you know the hadith is not there.
That's why
you cannot take my challenge up. That's why you are refusing to respond. Will you become a Muslim, Sunni Muslim?
If
Will
you
you
know
become a
the
Muslim?
hadith is there, then you say yeah.
Will you become a Muslim?
Okay, I want you to read this first.
Okay, he wants me to read Harry Potter, and seriously, because he wants me to read stuff that's irrelevant. I'm asking a very pointed, direct question. If the hadith is there, I'll become an Ahmadi. Then Mirza is truthful. If the hadith is not there and Mirza claimed there is a hadith where the Prophet said there will be a black-skinned prophet from India, his name is Krishna Kanhaiya, Krishna, the Indian deity, the idol Hindus worship. He was a black-skinned prophet from India and the Prophet Muhammad said it. I am asking, where did the Prophet say this? If the report is not there, then Mirza is a liar. Mirza attributed a lie to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Simple.
Read this.
Did you?
Read this hadith.
What am I reading? How is it relevant?
It's a hadith. Because it was a hadith.
It's a hadith, you're
Yeah,
saying.
it was a
It's a hadith.
Yes.
So that means I'm going to become an Ahmadi today. Yes?
It's up to you.
What do you mean that's not real? If there's a
I can't
hadith,
force you.
if the hadith is not, okay, if the hadith is not there, if it's not there,
But the thing is, it's not good to say, okay, if I approve you this, you're going to become this.
if the hadith is not
Or
there,
if I prove you wrong, you're going to become what I
if
am.
it's not there,
It's not how it works.
if it's not there,
What?
if it's not there,
If it's not there, it is there.
No, if you're confident,
it's not
then
there.
you say yeah.
You're saying it's not there.
I'm not saying this. I'm
telling you there is.
saying we can go to independent
I'm
parties.
telling you there is.
I'm
You're still
saying we can
listening.
go to neutrals. We can go to neutrals and ask them if this is a hadith. If the hadith is not there, then what?
Are you confident the hadith is there?
Do you want to save me or not?
I am
Or
telling
you want me to go to hellfire?
I'm telling you there is.
You want me to go to hellfire?
Give me the-
और यार तू मुझे जन्म भेजना है? You want me to send? एक मिनट आप सबर कर लें. ये बहुत important conversation है. इधर ठीक है, no problem.
He's
आप wait
got
कर.
down
थोड़ा
that
wait
the hadith is not there.
No problem. वो आते हैं उसमें आते हैं. Okay, no problem.
It looks like you got down the hadith is not there.
So clearly the hadith
Yeah,
is not
it's not
there.
there.
The hadith. I'm not going to waste my time reading Harry Potter.
What does it say? What does it say?
It says a hadith. No. You are claiming. Do you know Arabic?
This is hadith. This
Do you know Arabic? It's Arabic.
This is hadith. Yes, it's Arabic.
Oh, Baijan, this is the title page. You don't even know what this is. This is the title page of a book. He's telling me this is the hadith. Everyone, look. He's telling me this is the hadith. It's the title page of the book.
Yes.
He doesn't even know what this is. Okay. When you ask the Qadianis for hadith, they will bring any Arabic newspaper and say hadith. Hadith. Any Arabic there will be a billboard or advertising soap in Arabic from Dubai. Hadith.
I'm giving you a book
Is
where
there?
the hadith is written
Okay.
regarding
Okay, no
Krishna
problem.
Kanhaiya
I
being a
respect you.
prophet.
I respect you. If the hadith is not there and you're wasting my time, then what? There has to be a logic that must follow. There has to be a conclusion to this. If there is no hadith, then what? Is Mirza a liar?
No, it's not a liar. No, no.
Even though the hadith is not there.
You're a liar, bro.
Okay,
You are a liar.
I'm a liar, no
You
problem.
are a liar.
Okay, so prove me a liar. Prove me a liar. I'm saying if the hadith is not there, then is Mirza a liar?
I'll tell you why you're a liar, okay? Because we know that there was more than thousands of prophets. We know according to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
We're not discussing
we
that
know
point.
That there was more than
We're
1,000
124,000. Yes, I know. Don't teach me things I know.
So,
I'm asking a
are all the
question about
prophets
Krishna.
mentioned in the Quran?
Krishna.
All the
I'm
prophets
asking
mentioned in the
about the
Quran.
black-skinned prophet
Exactly.
Krishna.
So where are all the
Where
other
did the prophet
prophets?
say that?
Where are all the other
So there's no
prophets?
hadith. You're confirming there's no hadith.
I'm
Khalas.
giving you hadith
There's
and
no
you're
hadith.
listening.
So those Qadianis who are listening.
Bro, he's not listening.
Those Qadianis who are listening.
not listening.
If you are
He can
still
make a
following
hadith.
Mirza,
There is a hadith. I'm
if you
giving
still
you-
follow Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani as a Mujaddid, as a Mahdi, as Masih Maud, or as a prophet, you are disbelieving in Allah and His Messenger deliberately. You are claiming that a liar is a prophet of God. A liar is Mahdi. A liar is the promised Messiah. A liar is a reviver of Islam. You're claiming this because he made many such claims and they cannot be found. Just like this guy. I told him I'll become an Ahmadi.
If you
He
ask
showed
for
me
it,
I'll become an
he
Ahmadi.
doesn't
He doesn't have it.
What
No.
he does is he speaks
And
over you.
on not only him,
He just wants
we
to conclude
debated
whatever he
their Murabbi.
believes.
I asked
He
all the
does not listen.
Qadiani youngsters, listen to me right now. All the Qadiani youngsters,
Oh, this is
all
why
the
people
young
don't take
Ahmadis
it.
in
People
Canada,
don't
in Britain, in Australia,
people.
go to your Murabbis. Go to your teachers and your scholars and your Khalifa,
you need
Masroor.
help, bro.
Go to Masroor and ask him, where is this report from the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? If they cannot produce it, then abandon the cult and become Muslims and go for Umrah and Allah will cleanse you inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.
An apologist ज़ियाउल मसीह साहब को जानते हैं?
नहीं मैं नहीं जानता. I don't know him. उर्दू
He is
में
here.
इंग्लिश में बात कर ले.
नहीं, उर्दू में करेंगे.
Okay, because
क्योंकि
most people don't know Urdu.
उन्होंने कहा है
Most people
वो
don't know
आपके
Urdu.
साथ डिबेट करना
आपको इंग्लिश आती
He
है?
wants to debate here.
Yeah, okay. Who is he? I don't know him.
Apologist, Christian
From
apologist
Pakistan?
ज़ियाउल मसीह.
From Pakistan?
He is from Pakistan and
Okay.
he's here.
Okay.
He wants to debate here in Southall.
There are many people who want to debate me, but if he wants to talk to me, he can come to Speaker's Corner. I'll talk to him, no problem.
But why can't we have a proper debate
a formal
in a
debate,
hall?
we choose our opponents very carefully because we don't want to debate just anybody who
No,
comes
he's
along.
not anybody. You know
okay.
him.
I don't know
from
him.
CDA.
I don't know who he is. Who is he? I've never seen this guy.
He's from CDA.
Brother, I don't know who this guy
A few
is.
years ago, you were back in CDA with Kamal Shafiq and everyone.
I know
He's-
yeah, I know him.
He is part of them.
Okay, I don't know him. I've never seen this person. If he wants to talk to me and have a debate, Speaker's Corner is one of the best places to come and
Why can't we have a proper debate?
a formal debate
Yeah.
because we choose our opponents for formal debates very carefully. They have to be people with credentials. They have to
Yeah.
be people with following.
I've
They have to
given
be
you
people
his
recognized by their respective churches.
He is, definitely.
And you know the people we have debated already. You know, have you
I know,
seen?
I know.
Yeah. So this is why we have a standard. But Speaker's Corner,
he has
Speaker
the
Corner,
same
Speaker's
standard.
Corner is standardless. That's the problem.
Yeah, he has the same standard.
So bring him here. Where is he? Is he in the
Can I have
UK?
your number? He's in the UK. Yeah.
Bring him here. Where is he? Is
But
he
I
here
don't have a
now?
proper,
Is he? No,
like,
brother,
formal
this
debate.
is the best place in the world to have a debate. Whose mic is this?
I wouldn't say that.
Okay, sorry? Okay, yeah. So the point is,
say that
if
this
he
is the
wants,
best
no. I respect your invitation, and thank you very much for inviting me for a conversation. A formal debate we will only have with people we think are worthy of our being our interlocutors in a formal debate. When it comes to Speaker's Corner, you can see this is like a fish market. Anyone can come in and challenge us on the spot, abruptly, throw questions at us, and we will have to answer. So bring him to Speaker's Corner. We can set time. He can take 2 minutes, I can take 2 minutes, and we can have a debate for an hour, 2 hours, no problem. I've had debates,
the other
I've had
thing
debates
here-
here for 3 hours.
But the other thing here is, you do it in English.
Yeah.
What about the...
We'll do it in
what
Urdu.
about the
We'll do it in
people
Urdu,
who-
no problem. With him, we'll do it in Urdu.
But why can't we have it like in a proper...
I explained to you, I just gave you an answer.
But I'm telling you, he is of the same standard that the people you've had debates with.
I don't know him. If he was a global Christian personality known, I would have known it. I have
because
debated some global.
Because he was in Pakistan, you see, that's why you wouldn't know him like that.
Yeah.
Now he's here. He's
So
here
this is why there are people in Pakistan
I can give
who
you
are
his
perfectly
name.
capable of debating him in Urdu language. There are people like
but he's here.
the debate society.
He has done quite a few debates in Pakistan already.
You know the people.
He's here now.
Right. So bring him. I'm here.
No, I want you to come in Southall and we have a proper...
Look, I'll give you 2 reasons. Again, firstly, I have to see who he is, whether he's a worthy opponent, in terms of his credentials and acceptance in the Christian world globally. Number one. Number two, I am hardly in the country. I'm hardly in the country. Okay, if you let me know when he's here
He's
next
here
time.
now,
How long is he here for?
He's going to be here for the next few months, I think.
Brilliant. So what we do is you take my details. We'll debate in Urdu. No problem. Look, यहाँ पर जो भी आ जाए ना, उसको हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि हमने तुम्हारे से डिबेट नहीं करना.
साउथ हॉल में एक पाकिस्तानी इंडियन का क्राउड है. साउथ हॉल में.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
साउथ हॉल में नहीं है सर, पूरी दुनिया में है. पूरी दुनिया में. This will go to the whole world. This will go to the whole world. Wherever there are Urdu speaking people, we're giving you a platform.
Not many here are Urdu speaking, right?
No cameras are there.
लेकिन जब हम formal करेंगे, तो then there will only be people.
I don't know if there will be but I'm welcoming you and your guy to come here when I'm in the country next to come and debate me in Urdu. No problem.
You exchange this
Yeah,
information.
give me your.
No problem.
Can I get your?
I'll give you my
You know Naz. You know Naz, right?
Sorry?
You know Naz, right? Naz.
I don't know who.
No, let him
Yeah,
put his
Nazim.
Nazim. So I
Trust
know
me.
him.
Trust me.
Does he
Trust
have
me.
his number?
Yes. No, ठीक है. Nazim is the best. इसी तरह हो जाएगा. मेरे से डायरेक्ट करेंगे तो मैं मैसेजेस
हाँ,
बहुत.
तो आप
Yeah.
नाज़िम के साथ करा
Yeah,
लें.
आपको दिखा दूं मैं अपने मैसेजेस.
नहीं आप.
ये आपको दिखा दूं अभी. अब ये देख लीजिए मेरा व्हाट्सएप है. ये देख रहे हैं? ये आप मुझे मैसेज करेंगे दफन हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो आप नाज़िम. Yeah, talk to Nazim. Nazim will organize the debate when I'm in the country next. But it's going to be
When are you next?
in December.
Yeah, December we can. हम December में कर सकते हैं.
No problem. Done.
I'll give you his name. You can go and
No
research,
problem.
do some research.
Well,
He is-
send it to Nazim and
he is
I'll
of that caliber.
But it's going to happen here.
नहीं
नहीं,
आप
नहीं,
ये
नहीं।
बताएं.
It's gonna happen
मतलब
here.
ये सुने. एक बात सुने. यहाँ पे आपको
दो मिनट हम लेंगे.
नहीं
हिंदी
दो
सुने।
मिनट देखिए सुने. वहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज होगा ना, ताकि वहाँ पे
हम organize
I've already answered this question.
यार देखिए ये तो ये आपने क्या
Organize
बताया.
Anyone, look, the problem is there are many people in the world who are challenging me. We'll do this to you, we'll do that to you. I tell them, yaar, it's so easy. Come to Speaker's Corner, do what you want to me.
No, we don't
do
want
what
to
you
do
want to me. I'm
anything.
here.
We want to debate
I'm here. No problem.
We're not doing anything to you. We're debating you.
No, wait. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. That we
But it's in
will.
organized manner so
So
that
आप-
there is a
आप-
mediator. यहाँ पे mediator नहीं होता
I have
है.
told you
Proper debate.
that there will be
यहाँ पर
यहाँ
है
पर
ही
मैं देखें I make myself available on Sunday. Mediator की जरूरत भी नहीं है.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
telling
है
you,
ना.
अगर if your guy is a decent guy, he's a decent guy. He's not like these people. If he's not like these people
He's
and this
also a
guy,
decent guy.
Okay. If he's decent like him, I don't want to debate him. Full stop. I surrender. I submit. I lose.
No.
मैं कह रहा हूँ ना कि I lose the debate before the debate.
I
If he's
know,
decent like
He's
them,
not like me.
no.
He's not like me.
Okay.
Okay, he's
So
going
I
to
said
debate.
he is also decent.
ठीक है.
That's what
If he's like him, I don't want to debate him.
Yeah,
He's
but
not like
if he's
him.
not
I am
like
going to be
me,
wasting my
then
time.
why don't you debate
I don't
him?
want to waste my time.
His changes.
I want, when I have a conversation, I want people, if he is a person I can actually talk to, like I talked to a Christian for nearly an hour today, no problems.
Okay.
No shouting, no screaming, no cursing,
He
no
has
this,
had
no
quite a
that.
few debates in the past. He
Adnan,
knows how to do
Adnan,
debates.
No problem.
Adnan,
Bring him
can
here.
be good.
Acha, ek aur bhi baat. Bring him here. If he's a decent guy and he's well known in his community, then we will think of a formal debate after we engage with
That's
him.
good. That's good enough.
Okay.
That's good enough.
Okay.
Thank you.
Done. Okay.
That's
No
it.
worries.
Bring him
Thank
here.
you.
He'll talk to him. Then you have to
December.
organize this.
It's going to be December.
Listen, we have to organize it.
Nazim will do it. Nazim will
We'll
do it.
debate here.
Yeah.
Talk here.
No
and
problem.
Then we'll set up a time.
No problem.
And it's on camera.
We will consider. After that, we will consider.
Okay, that's right. If you think that
After the
he's worthy of it,
first engagement, we will consider. Yeah. Thank you.